In the dark sea of the solar system, there is one world that has chosen to defy the rules of the universe. It is Uranus, a spinning blue-green world, not standing but lying down. Its axis of rotation is tilted nearly 98 degrees, as if the universe has destined it to sleep while orbiting the sun. As a result, one pole can be illuminated for 42 years without night, then plunged into 42 years of darkness without day. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, a massive collision changed the course of this planet's life forever, leaving it tilted, cold, and still. Now, at a distance of nearly 3 billion kilometers from the Sun, Uranus rotates slowly in cosmic silence, as if remembering the past that toppled it billions of years ago. Uranus, the planet that chose to tilt.